Hello world, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Sometimes in a reverse order is better. So, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge. We are on lesson number 45, guys, and I am going to show you how to create a subplot. So, there is a method, there is a function called subplots in Python MatPlotLib, right? So this will create two different plot and two different window on your IDE itself. So I am going to show you how this will be. This is a very important function wherein you can apply the subplot method or a function when you have ton loads of data and you want to visualize in two different ways or three different ways or 10 different ways. It's possible. I am going to show you how to use this method, and let's get into some coding. Alright guys, I am going to log into my Jets and Nano. Yes, I am already logged in and this is my Visual Studio IDE. Alright, let's do some programming. Let's write some Python code. So import matplotlib like this. Alright, dot pyplot space as plt. Alright, and then oops, as p. Guys, we need to be very careful here. When you type anything, you need to hit space and then enter, because this might by default, if you don't notice your screen, it will select something else. Like instead of plt, it will select pyplot as pyplot. That will throw up multiple errors and your program is not going to execute. All right, so be very careful. Now import numpy space as space np space enter. All right, now let's create multiple plots. So let's create just two plots for an example, right? So let's create plot number one. Let me give a space, say for example x equals, let me give a space, x equals np dot array. Okay, and let's define some value into the array. How do you define? So it's a round bracket and then a square bracket. All right, 0, say 1, say 1, 2 and 3. I'm just creating some random numbers, and then y equals, say np dot array and then a round bracket and a square parenthesis and 3 dot a dot 1 dot 10, just a random numbers, guys, and then what we need to do, we need to plot this. So plt dot, and now you need to call this call the method as subplot. It's a function, right? Subplot, see, there you go, subplot. It's already populated. Subplot, and then what you are going to subplot, it's only say 1 comma 2 comma 1. All right, this is your subplot. And now plt dot plot, say x comma y, x comma y, like this. All right, now let's create another plot. Let me put in a comment here so that it will be easy for us to understand. So how do you add comment? You need to add comment with a hashtag like this. Okay, the program will not execute if you, the comment is basically for us to understand what is that line of code is all about. Okay, I'll put it as plot 1. Those who are following my Arduino series, in Arduino, the C program, the comment is basically 2 or 3 forward slash lines. Okay, in Python it's hashtag. All right, now let's come to the bottom. Now let's create plot 2. I'll put a hashtag again, say plot 2. This is our second plot. Now let's create, say, x equals to np dot array with a round bracket and a square bracket. say 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. I'm just putting some numbers. Alright, and then y equals np dot array. Again we are creating another array in a round bracket and a square bracket, say 1 comma 2 comma 2. Just an example. Alright, and then let's create a large size number so that the visualization is pretty clear, right? So the 10 dot 20 dot 30 dot say 40, like this, and close the square bracket and then the round bracket. Do not miss on that. Alright, and now let's plot this plt dot subplot. This is your function subplotting the plot number 2. Alright, subplot say 1 comma 2 comma 2, like this, and then let's show the plot plt. No, we need to combine this plot, so plt dot plot say x comma y. Okay, like this, and then let's go a little top, and then now we need to show this plot. How do we show? With the show function, plot plt dot show, yes, and close the function like this. I hope this works. So let's double check once again. So we have created first plot and the second plot. Basically no syntax errors. Let's run this program, guys, and see what happens. Hopefully it works. Right click, run Python file in terminal, and there you go. I can see some plot over there, so maybe I can drag it here. Let me try to drag it. Oops, I see only, yes, there you go. So can you see this, guys? We can see two different plots. Boom. Let me just make it a little bigger. There you go. Can you see that, guys? A plot X and a plot Y. So we can see two different plots with the data set what we created. This is how this particular function works, and I hope this is clear. So guys, using this particular method, you can create multiple plots, right? You can create even 100 plots, provided you have a larger screen to visualize and have a look at it. Alright guys, do enjoy this lesson. Do give me a thumbs up and a like, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer you. I'll be back soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye. See you.